Author John Maxwell once wrote that a leader is one who knows the way, goes the way, and shows the way. In honoring Aurora's executive director, Luzada Hayes, the most important thing to know about her is that she has been and continues to be a true servant leader, never asking anyone to do something that she would not be willing to do herself. She began her career with Aurora in 1999 as the program director, focusing on the homeless outreach team, Aurora's oldest program. Her passion and dedication to disadvantaged people led Luzada to be promoted to executive director in 2002, and shortly thereafter began working on Destination Home, a comprehensive community effort to end homelessness in Evansville and Vanderburgh County in 10 years.
Evansville and Vanderburgh County would not have a 10-year plan to end homelessness without Luzada. Luzada was the driving force. Luzada worked to engage over 200 people in the community in building Destination Home. And I've never forgotten that first day when Luzada laid out the vision and I raised my hand and basically told her she was crazy. But over time, she won me over. She convinced me that if as a community we were willing to ask hard questions and answer them, we could end homelessness as we know it today or as we knew it then.
One of the things that I have learned over the course of several years is that the level of cooperation and collaboration among agencies in Evansville that serve the homeless is much higher and much deeper than any other community in the state. And most, if not all, of that credit goes to Luzada for her leadership in the Homeless Services Council. And again, her style of bringing people together and keeping people focused on helping the homeless.
In addition to being a guiding light in the community, Luzada has mentored many social workers and other professionals, providing them with the knowledge and experience to be change agents themselves.
I'm finishing up school right now for my master's in social work, and it's interesting because when I'm in there, every teacher that finds out that I'm connected to Aurora, the very first thing they say is, well, you must know Luzada Hayes. I'm like, well, yeah, of course I do. And so the next thing that they start to talk to me about is, what do you know about homelessness? And they expect me to know everything from A to Z about homelessness because Luzada does. She has set a precedent for the agency and for the staff that we're to not just meet the standards, but that we're to rise above that and we are to put forth that 110% effort because that's what she does in the community and that's what everyone has seen, and so that is what has become expected of us.
I think the number one thing that I've learned from Luzada, or at least the first thing, is being compassionate towards our population. I think as a whole, most people that don't know about homeless people think that they are, drug addicts or that they're mentally ill. But I think Luzada does a very good job in letting the community know that they're people like you and me, but without a support system.
I think one of Luzada's greatest gifts is to be able to pull people together. She was able to pull hundreds of people together to work on Destination Home and the 10-year plan to end homelessness. And early on when we were working on this, I said, Luzada, you know so much, you could have done this all by yourself. Wouldn't that have been so much easier? And she said, yeah, probably, but look at all the people who now have the understanding and the passion that they wouldn't have had before. And that's one of her gifts, that she sees that picture.
Luzada has been an incredible mentor for me. I worked in direct services before joining Aurora, so this was my first opportunity to be a leader in an organization, and she took a chance on me when probably a lot of other people wouldn't have because I was so young and inexperienced. But she saw something that other people didn't. I couldn't have asked for a better mentor to take me throughout the past 3 years and show me the ropes and challenged me to find out what kind of person and professional I wanted to be.
Luzada is known to be an incredibly dedicated, hardworking professional whose focus on ending homelessness has never strayed.
She's just a really a woman of integrity and just has such a passion and love for this forgotten population in the tri-state area.
You know, she wears her heart on her sleeve, which is one of the reasons why she's so good, I think, at what she does, because she really cares a lot about the people that she is trying to take care of.
Over the years, Luzada has received many honors from the community, including being named State of Indiana Social Worker of the Year in 2003, and most recently, Leadership Evansville's Community Collaboration Honoree.
Finding out that Luzada was going to move on to the next chapter of her life was bittersweet for all of us, I think. You know, excited for her, but certainly it's some big shoes to fill. And as we've had conversations about what the future is going to look like, how we're going to find someone to fill that role, I know that her first priority through all those discussions has been leaving the organization in good hands. Finding someone who can continue the legacy that she's created over the past 15 years and that can continue to carry out the goals and the mission that she's put in place.
Luzada's contributions to Aurora, homeless men, women, and children, and our community are countless. It's impossible to know how many lives she has touched over the years, and filling her shoes will be difficult. Thank you, Luzada, for everything.
For she's a superwoman, for she's a superwoman, for she's a superwoman, which nobody can deny.
We love Luzada, oh yes we do, and when you leave us, we'll sure be blue.
This is what the housing support team came up with. Say, we love you, Luzada!
Good luck, Luzada. You are fabulous. You always have been, you always will be. You'll be missed.
Congratulations on your retirement, Luzada. Thanks for everything you've done.
Thank you, Luzada, for all you've done for the community. I wish you the best of luck in the next chapter of your life.
Luzada, knowing you and working with you has been the biggest privilege of my life. You lead by example, and you have instilled this in us. God bless you in everything you do. I'll miss you, and I love you.
Luzada, I've thoroughly enjoyed getting to know you over the past year. Your dedication and passion for Aurora are amazing.
Hi, Luzada. This is Jasper, your favorite clown. Just want to congratulate you on your many years of service and leadership of Aurora.
Hi, Luzada. Betty Poole. Just wanted to let you know that you will be surely missed.
Hi, Luzada. Best wishes to you in your new endeavors. We are going to miss you.
Luzada, you've done an excellent job touching the lives of those in homelessness and those of us who work with the people in homelessness in the city. And I think the effects of that touch will go a long way.
Luzada, I feel really grateful to be able to do the work that we do, and I thank you for having the foresight and the organization and the discipline and the faith that allows all that to happen.
Luzada, wish you best of luck. I know there's greener pasture somewhere. Find something you'd like to do, honey.
Thank you, Luzada. You know, you've been a good help to all of us that's been homeless and in need. And I'd like to say I appreciate it from all of us.
Whatever you're going to do, have fun doing it.
Thanks for everything you have done for homeless. God bless.
Thank you for being my shero.
Luzada, I just want to say thank you for your hours and hours and years of selfless service to the community and seeking to provide for those who are homeless.
Congratulations. I hope your retirement is phenomenal. Good luck and God bless.